Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an amazing tea with so many health benefits that you will be amazed. So this is black seed tea. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of black seeds, which is also called Kalonji in Urdu or Punjabi or Hindi. For all the health benefits, you can check out my video. I will put it in the description box. My last video talked about all the health benefits of these black seeds. They are amazing. And then I will also need some fennel seeds. They are also powerhouses of antioxidants, very good for your digestion. And some ginger, just 1-inch piece of ginger. Ginger aids digestion, it's good for your respiratory problems. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to boil 1 liter water. While the water is going to get heated, I'm going to grind the black seeds, fennel seeds and ginger in a mortar and pestle. Just for a few seconds, and when the water gets boiling, I add these spices in the water and let it simmer. Let it simmer on medium to low heat for at least 6 to 7 minutes. I also add 4 cardamom pods in it because I love the smell of cardamom. Don't forget to cover it. Now you can see that the tea is ready. This is how I like it. This is how we make it. The most amazing beneficial tea. Turn the heat off and let it rest for another 15 to 20 minutes, half an hour, and then stain it and drink it. You can add some lemon if you want to. If you have a sweet tooth, you can add some honey in it. Kalonji has many health benefits, like it fights acne. You can use Kalonji to treat cracked heels, and it keeps a check on diabetes. It reduces your blood sugar levels. It increases memory and alleviates asthma. It gets rid of headaches, lowers your blood pressure, aids in weight loss. Black seeds are also used to ease joint pain. Black seed oil. Rub it on your joints and it will help you. It is also said to protect your kidney. So kidney stones are a common problem. Kalonji or black seed tea breaks the kidney stones and then flushes it out of your system. So I hope you liked this video and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe guys. God bless you. Bye bye.